hands are full or you can't get to the door, Alexa can help show you who's there. Just connect Alexa to the Ring video doorbell.
Someone is at the front door.
Ooh, Alexa, show the front door.
Okay.
Hey, it's Mark.
Mark, he's 4 hours early. I haven't finished decorating or wrapping his gift yet.
Alexa, talk to the front door.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Mark.
Mark who?
Mark your calendars, because it's my birthday.
I do love a good knock-knock joke.